It's kind of working with, you can see the Type-C interface. You can plug, pair, and charge. It's a very interesting design, very cool design. Just plug in just 5 minutes you can charge it. That's for 4 hour playback. You fully charge 18 hours playback. It's really convenient. I can show you again. You can see that. You can see that. This is really cool design, right? I can show you again. The kickoff plug the charger. It's very convenient. You plug in automatic pair with the Huawei P30. It's very convenient. You never worry about the charging and you forget to pick the charger and find the connector. So it's very convenient. So this is a very innovative design of this FreeLace. This FreeLace on your neck is like a necklace. Then we have the magnetic bus. When you take the magnetic bus apart, it automatically connects to your phone or your PC. So, and also using the flexible memory metal cable for pure comfortable on your neck. It's really convenient, comfortable. The memory metal cable. And also, we are using the in-ear design to against the noise. The in-ear design, and also this using the surging bass and the melodic treble. No matter bass and treble, all have the best audio combined together. The in-ear, the best sound, the best music you can listen like this. And then we have 4 color for your selection. Today we also bring TWS, the True Voice audio headset, the free bass light. This free bass light have 2 colors for your selection, white and black. A 12-hour battery life with the battery case. Really bring your in-ear design. When you take this, less outside noise, insulate outside noise.
This next topic.
You know this.